Welcome to Ambassador Yoga, where we help experienced yoga teachers have their own registered yoga school. We know the path to having a Yoga Alliance registered school is complicated, confusing, and time consuming. One teacher called it a jigsaw puzzle of horror, and we understand that feeling. You want to offer an amazing training that's personal and reflects your years of teaching experience, but maybe you looked at the Yoga Alliance application and felt overwhelmed. To write a training yourself, you need to save as much time as possible and do it right the first time. And this program can guide you through that. You'll gain clarity on where to begin, how to save time, and how to avoid costly mistakes. Most importantly, you'll move closer to opening the doors to your yoga teacher training and a new revenue stream for your business thanks to your registered yoga school. I'm Aruna and my partner Claire. We've helped teachers around the world launch their training. We want to do the same for you. This program is going to make a huge impact on your planning. We'll show you the steps to complete the application. You'll get templates and quick answers to help you plan your daily schedule, your core curriculum, lay out your manual, and avoid the mistakes that we made. And because we're so excited to see your career grow as a yoga trainer, you can get this do-it-yourself registered yoga school planning program at a special introductory price of just $199. That's just $199 to reduce your frustration and save you hours on your RYS application. So you can launch your training faster, but this special is only for a limited time. Just click the button below and you'll get immediate access. Make an even bigger impact as a yoga teacher and make money in your business with yoga teacher training. We can't wait to see you launch your training. You got this.